Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our last game here in the women's division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon V. Guico III. For our last game, it is the battle between the municipality of Anda having 0-7 standing versus municipality of Infanta having 1-5 standing. So both teams came from the loss. So dito natin makakita for this last game kung sino nga bang team ang mag-stand out at mag-uuwi ng panalo for today. Is it the municipality of Infanta or is it the municipality of Anda? We will see and watch that later, volleyball fans. Kaya just keep watching here in our page because our last game in the women's division is about to start. This is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.
Good afternoon once again, volleyball fans. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference, coming to you live from the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. To all our viewers watching online and everyone here inside the venue, thank you for joining us this Sunday as we continue another exciting day of women's volleyball action. And what better way to wrap up today's women's division than with a matchup between two teams that are both looking to bounce back? Before we get into the action, we would like to once again express our sincere gratitude to our beloved Governor Ramon V. Guico III, whose continued support and commitment to sports make tournaments like this possible. Through the Governor's Cup, our local athletes are given the opportunity to showcase their skills, compete at a higher level, and represent their respective municipalities with pride. More than just winning and losing, this tournament promotes teamwork, sportsmanship, camaraderie, and the passion of Pangasinense athletes for volleyball. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing. Now, it's time for our final women's division match of the day. On one side of the court, we have Team Anda. Anda is coming into this matchup after a tough loss yesterday, but as we all know, in volleyball, every game brings a fresh opportunity. Today, they have the chance to put yesterday's result behind them, make the necessary adjustments, and come back stronger. And standing across the net is Team Infanta, who is also coming off a loss in yesterday's games. Just like Anda, Infanta has something to prove today. A tough loss can be disappointing, but it can also serve as motivation to come back stronger. So this afternoon, we have two teams with the same mission to bounce back, fight for every point, and finish strong. Who will make the better adjustments? Who will recover from yesterday's setback? And who will walk away with a final women's division victory today? We are about to find out So, don't go anywhere. Get ready for another exciting battlefield with powerful serves, explosive attacks, solid blocks, incredible digs, and long rallies as Team Anda and Team Infanta face each other here at the Governor Ramon V. Guico III Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. I am Maria Victoria Ferrer together with my partner, Cliff Lagisma. We'll be bringing you all the action and excitement of this final women's division matchup. As we close another Sunday of volleyball here at the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center, let's give these two teams the energy and support they deserve. Team Anda versus Team Infanta. One final battle, one more opportunity to shine. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the game.
Welcome back, valuable fans, to the Narciso Ramos Sports and Civic Center here at Lingayen, Pangasinan. And we are still in our Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament Cup 2026 Governor's Cup, brought to you by Governor Ramon V. Guico III. Our last matchup for the women's game in the Western Conference, Team Infanta versus Team Anda. First blood goes to Anda.
Maniago is a set as a cuatro. Mercurio gives a free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Andon si Mercurio. Maniago to the middle. Jimenez to Cali. Regalo to Mercurio. That is not over. Point for Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 1 for Team Anda, Jimenez. Ooh. Jimenez too late.
Is received. Itinaas ni Kaasi. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniaga chases. Good ball. Jimenez will set it to Valenzuela. And a point for jersey number 18.
Three serving 1. Ooh, ace
Service
serve for jersey
ace.
number 18. Valenzuela.
Serving Etak. And a service ace for jersey number 5. Still serving jersey number 5. Too strong for Etak. Serving Freda Valenzuela. Maniago isiset para kay Melanio. Andan si Valenzuela. Jimenez isiset para kay Kaasi. And first point for jersey number 2. Maniago to Paburian. And point for jersey number 1. Good serve. Valenzuela. Free ball. Maniago. Isa-set para kay Melanio. Ginawa ng paraan. Jimenez. And error for Team Anda. Lamang ng isa ng Team Anda. Serving jersey number 14. Santos. And a service ace. And deadlock at 6. Santos. Back-to-back aces for Santos.
Another service ace by Infanta. And their men's team is so supportive. They are cheering the women's team. Kali. Serve outside hit for Kali, number 12 of Anda. A serve. Santos. 2 aces. Anda will talk things out right now. Joust. Melanio. Jimenez to the open. Doug. Mercurio to Melanio. Ooh! Inagaw ni Kaasi. Point for Team Infanta. Almost an ace. Arig attacking.
Serving jersey number 12, Kali. Received by Mercurio. Free ball coming from Melanio. Jimenez is a set para kay Kaasi. Free ball. Jimenez sets to Kaasi and point for jersey number 2.
Kaasi with that extra muscle there. Kali serving. Good serve. Maniago. Free ball. Jimenez. Who will she go to? Kaasi again. Maniago to Melanio. Doug. Jimenez. Drops. Ooh!
Point for Jessica Papurian. 3-point lead here for Team Infanta.
11 serving 8.
Jimenez. Mercurio. Inangat ni Kaasi. Jimenez will send it over to Paburian. Free ball. Sets it to Arig. Andon si Maniago. Mercurio will set it to the open. Jimenez opens up to Kaasi. Mercurio was there.
We have a long
Maniago.
rally alert.
And Paburian
Arig
is
denying
blocked.
Mercurio.
Serving jersey number 2, Kaasi. Maniago. Jimenez to Arig, drop ball. Isiset para kay Mercurio and that catches the line. Point for Team Infanta.
.12 serving 9 after that Mercurio hit. Arig, play setter to Valenzuela. Free ball, Jimenez to Valenzuela. Attacks. Melanio. Maniago, free ball. Jimenez to Arig. Placement shot. Maniago to the back row to Valenzuela. And Valenzuela with that good attack.
Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng Team Infanta. Melanio. Tinaas for Mercurio. Andun si Kali Jimenez. Si set sa gitna. And a point for the setter, Maniago. Serving jersey number 3, Maniago. Jimenez underhand set to Valenzuela and that catches the line. And a service ace for the setter, Jimenez.
Jimenez serving. Santos, free ball. Kali ng bola to Jimenez. Papalo si Valenzuela and Valenzuela using the blocker's hands. Jimenez on the service deck.
Santos bibigay ng free ball para sa Team Anda. Maniago to Mercurio. That is outside. And lamang na po ng isa ang Team Anda. Infanta will call for a time.
Still serving Jimenez for Team Anda. Valenzuela, placement shot.
Still serving Jimenez.
Jimenez
Sharp
serves.
serve.
Maniago to Santos. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Papalo. Save. Andun ang libero. Valenzuela will set for Valenzuela and straight to the net.
Serving
Two-point
jersey number
cushion by
18,
Team
Valenzuela.
Anda.
Maniago is set sa open. Another free ball for Team Anda. Freda. To Milanio. And Milanio scores. Serving jersey number 5, Etak. Received Kaasi. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago kanina ibibigay. Melanio. Andun yung libero Jimenez. Chases. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago. To the middle, but too strong for Paborian.
Paborian just too wide and that shot. Serving jersey number 3 from Anda.
Paborian.
Maniago.
Back set.
Denied.
And blocked.
Santos couldn't get through the block. Serving jersey number 3. Good serve. Maniago to Paborian. Jimenez ibinato kay Kaasi. Ooh, couldn't get that through.
Substitution for Team Anda. Kali out, Custodio in. Isa ang kalamangan ng Team Anda. Santos. Received by the libero. Custodio was set it to Kaasi but gives a free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago to Milanio. And what a powerful cross-court attack for jersey number 16.
The libero of Anda couldn't get that too hot hit from Milanio.
Overset.
Jimenez to Arig. Maniago. Straight to the net by an attack by Milanio.
Custudio. Straight to the net. And we are tied at 19. Milanio. Service error then for Team Infanta.
Kaasi
Kaasi.
serves. Free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Dug by Milanio. Milanio. Free ball din. Jimenez. Babawi si Valenzuela. And she scores. Kaasi on deck to serve. Free ball with Team Anda. Valenzuela. Maniago to the middle. Valenzuela drop ball. Bukat. Finds zone 5 corner pocket. Serving 21.
Bukat will give a free ball. Jimenez is set para kay Arig, and Arig gets the point.
Arig with the dagger. Point for Team Anda.
Milanio. Maniago will set it to Mercurio, but that sends long. And Team Infanta will use their final timeout. Dahil lamang na po ng 3 ang Team Anda.
Serving 20. Anda. Jimenez as an attacker. Maniago to Arig. Valenzuela and check ball. Set point, Team Anda.
Infanta. Maniago for 1-2. Successful. Set point saved for Team Infanta here. Serving jersey number 8, Maniago. Misreceives that one, and a service ace for Maniago.
Maniago still serving. Down by 2. Almost an ace. Free ball. Who will she go to? Valenzuela. For the last point, no. And Anda secures first set.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Infanta and Team Anda. This is the last match for Women's Division this Sunday. And ang susunod po natin dito ay ang 5 games po natin for Men's Division. For the first serve is Team Anda, Jimenez. Serve. Mercurio will give a free ball. Jimenez, sinet kay Valenzuela. And first point for jersey number 18.
Jimenez serving.
Milanyo.
Maniago.
Maniagay tataas para kay Santos.
Free
Spot
ball.
free ball. Jimenez bibigay kay Valenzuela. Dug by Milanyo. Free ball. Jimenez sa gitna. Andun si Maniago. Santos sa open. Isiset. Free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela. Dug.
Ooh.
And masyadong dikit sa net. So,
Hitting
point
air
for
there.
Team Anda. 2-0. Still serving Jimenez. Received by Mercurio. Binigay sa open. Hinabol ni Kaasi. This is a good ball. Maniago to Mercurio. And then yung libero Jimenez. Free ball for Team Infanta. Binigay kay Santos. Then si Jimenez. Tataas. This is a long rally. Maniago to Mercurio, but too wide for jersey number 19. Substitution here for Team Infanta. Mercurio out, Bukat in.
Jimenez still serving.
Maniago.
That's to the
Ibigay sa
open.
open. Andun si Jimenez. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago to Bukat. And a point for jersey number 12.
Maniago oversets.
Double contact violation on the side of Team Infanta. Our official score is 5-1. Substitution. 15 out. 5 in. Valenzuela with the help of the net. Service ace. And timeout for Team Infanta.
Jimenez to Kaasi. Maniago chase with the libero. Jimenez to Kaasi. Ooh! Net block. We have a cheering squad there. The men's team of Infanta cheering the women's team of Infanta. Maniago. Santos free ball. Jimenez to the middle. And Valenzuela scores. Seven serving two. Maniago. Free ball. Jimenez. Kaasi breaks the wall of Paborian. Valenzuela serving. Good serve. Maniago. Santos. Kaasi, no. Rejected by Paborian. Santos serving. Ooh, ace serve. Timeout. Team Anda.
Serving jersey number 14, Santos. Service error for Team Infanta. Free point para sa Team Anda. Serving jersey number 4, Mercurio. Maniaga is a set para kay Melanio, but that is straight to the net. Service error for jersey number 4. Free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago ibibigay para kay Buka. Trapo works for jersey number 12. And a service ace by the
Melanio,
captain
ace
of
serve.
Team Infanta.
Melanio serving for Team Infanta. Valenzuela.
Jimenez sa set para kay
Kaasi.
Kaasi.
Good off speed by Paborian. Melanio still serving. Jimenez free ball. Maniago. The open placement shot. Kaasi. Ooh. Kaasi targets the libero of Infanta. 11 serving 8. Kaasi. Sharp serve. Ace by Kaasi. Four-point cushion enjoyed by Team Anda. Ooh. Straight to the net for Kaasi. Paborian on the service deck. Jimenez to Arig. Arig fires and she scores.
Serving jersey number 17, Arig. Outside. Point for Team Infanta. Serving Maniago. Service error for jersey number 8. Ang ating next game po dito ay Team Anta versus Team Infanta rin po ng Men's Division. Off speed. Jimenez will set it to the open. Andun si Melanio. Maniago to Bukat. Jimenez to Valenzuela. And Valenzuela finds zone 1. 5-point lead here for Team Anda. Serving Jimenez. Received by Mercurio. Sinet para kay Bukat. Andun si Arik Jimenez. Itataas, but miscommunication there on the part of Freda. And the open.
And caught out of system that time. 11 serving 15,
It's
almost an
received.
ace. Maniago to Melanio. Ooh,
That is outside already.
touches the ceiling.
So another point for Team Infanta.
Bukat on deck to serve. Valenzuela straight to the net.
Attack error for Valenzuela. Serving
Bukat serves. Valenzuela. Free ball. Maniago to Melanio. Good dig. Valenzuela babawi. Another free ball. Jimenez to Valenzuela. And inside. Valenzuela serves. Maniago punches the ball and it goes out.
Apat po ang kalamangan ng Team Anda.
Valenzuela. Maniago to Melanio. Jimenez to Kaasi. Fires and almost a
ball.
score. Kaasi replicating it.
To Freda. Eta will set it to Santos. Free ball. Nabol ni Caitlin. Good ball.
Good
Bukat.
chase.
Maniago. Set para kay Melanio. Andun si Jimenez. Very free ball for Team Infanta. Maniago will set it to Melanio. Andun si Caitlin. Jimenez gives a free ball. Maniago is a set para kay Santos. Long rally.
Long rally. Santos giving a free ball. Kaasi. This will never stop. Maniago, Melanio, straight to the net. Eighteen serving 13. Valenzuela on deck to serve. Straight to the net. 14 serving 18.
Freda. And then si Maniago, miscommunication. Free ball. And that is outside. 5-point lead here for Team Anda. Freda. Maniago will set it to Melanio sa gitna and finds zone 5. Serving jersey number 14, Santos. Jimenez. Set it to Custudio. Andun si Mercurio. Bukat. Easy set para kay Melanio. Jimenez sa gitna. But that's too long for jersey number 17. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Team Anda. Serving. Santos. Sharp serve. Jimenez. Bibigay sa 4. And good spot there. Service error committed by jersey number 4.
Infanta down 3. Melanio serving. Valenzuela receives. Jimenez, itataas kay Kaasi. Dog. Maniago drops. Arig sets. Kaasi fires. Free ball. Jimenez. Arig will try. Jimenez. Arig. Paborian, please setter. Good ball. Paborian. Blocked by Arig. Long rally again. Kaasi straight to the net.
Still serving Melanio. Sharp serve and a service ace for the captain. And Anda will call for time. Melanio. Receive by the libero. Itinaas. Freda will give a free ball. Maniago to Bukat. And we are now tied at 20 all. Service error by the captain.
Melanio having that Crucial error late in the second set. And an ace serve by Kaasi.
Kaasi.
Kaasi to serve again. Good serve. Free ball. Valenzuela drops. Arig. Arig with the regalo. Net fault by Paborian.
Serving jersey number 2, Kaasi. Maniago is set para kay Bukat with the help of the net. 21 serving 23.
They are still alive, Team Infanta. Paborian serves. Jimenez to Arig. And Arig scores that one, giving them the match point. Nerves of steals for Arig.
Arig.
And ace serve!
Ace!
Congratulations, Team Anda. And of Anta for a gallant stand.
That concludes our last game here in the Women's Division in the Western Conference of the Governor's Cup Inter-Town Volleyball Tournament 2026. Mula sa dalawang team, kita natin ang kanilang sipag mula sa kanilang depensa at opensa from the first set up to the second set. Kaya naman, congratulations for our winning team, Municipality of Anda, and still congratulations for Municipality of Infanta for showing us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team. Player number 18, Caitlin Valenzuela, having 8 attacks and 2 aces. So congratulations for winning this game and for being the best player of the game. Since this is your first win para sa municipality ninyo, how does it feel naman na nakakuha kayo ng win for this conference?
First time din nagtulungan kami sa part na mahirap. Meron man kaming kaibigan na nahirapan pero kinaya namin. And shout out po sa mayor namin dyan, nabasag na namin itlog. And shout out pala sa mga magulang ko dyan na nanonood, man. I love you, man, pa. And shout out sa asawa ko dyan. I love you. Yun lang. Shout out kay Mayor na pogi. Shout out sa mga kaibigan ko dito. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, aside from naging maganda nga yung pinakita ninyo, ano sa tingin mo yung nagbigay talaga ng panalo sa inyo, yung biggest factor kung ba't kayo nakakuha ng panalo for this game?
Sa pagtutulungan po. And then sa pagod, sa hirap. And sa mga sa mga pag-training, kahit na ulan, punta pa rin. And kahit basta, sige pa rin po. Kahit may sakit, yung iba hindi man nakapunta, pero kinaya naman po namin. And yun lang po. Thank you.
Eh nakita na iba talaga kapag very dedicated kayo sa training para syempre maganda rin yung ipapakita nyo sa loob ng court. Sana naman message mo sa mga teammates mo.
Shout out sa mga sa teammates ko. Napagod sila. And then pinaghirapan po namin. And shout out daw kay Auntie Irene. Sa likod, nagbigay ng Guico III. Mama daw ni Celso. Ano ba? Shout out. Shout out daw kay Ma'am Jones. Shout out sa mama ko, sa papa ko dyan. Kung nanonood man kayo, I love you more. Shout out daw kay Sheila May Arig sa bebe niya. Tingnan lang po. Thank you.
Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our 5 games in the women's division. But stay here and stay tuned in our Governor's Cup page dahil magsisimula na ang ating 5 games in the men's division. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.